Hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you how you can integrate your DocuSign account with Recruiterflow. So to do this, you can go to your settings and then you can click on the integrations section. You can then scroll down and you will get to see the DocuSign option. So in order to connect your DocuSign account with Recruiterflow, you need to click here and then this will redirect you to your DocuSign account where you can simply give access to Recruiterflow. Once that is done, you will get to see an option which says your DocuSign account is now connected. So now to get started, you need to first create a template in your DocuSign account. So you can go to the template section and then click on create a template. Once that is done, you can then name the template and then add a document here. So this would be the document that you would like to share with the candidate or the contact. You can then click on upload and then I'll just select a test document here. So once the document has been uploaded, this is the section where you can add the recipients that will be added in this particular email that you will be sending. So usually there are two recipients. One is the signer of this document, and if you want, you can also add a person who can stay in the CC. So in this option, I'll select needs to sign, and I'll name the role as signer. And in the receives a copy section, I'll name the role as CC. Once that is done, I'll click on next. Now, this is where you can add multiple fields in this document. So as of now, Recruiterflow supports fields such as signature, name, text, number, and a note. So for example, if you want the candidate to add their signature, you can simply add the signature here, and then you can then click on save and close. Once that is done, the template has been saved successfully. We can then head over to our Recruiterflow account. So just to give you an example, I'll open a test profile here. You can then click on the three dots and then click on send DocuSign annual. Once that is done, the system will start pulling data from your DocuSign account. This is where you can then select the template and the details of the template will be pulled in from your DocuSign account to your Recruiterflow account. Now this is where you can select which role you want to assign to a particular individual. So in the name and the email section, you will notice that the system will automatically pull in the name of the profile and the email of the profile. You can then select the role. So I'll assign the role as a signer. I'll add a recipient and I'll add myself to be in the CC. I'll add my email address here and I'll assign a role as CC. You can then enter an email subject according to your preference and an email body. And then you can click on submit. So this way, the DocuSign envelope will be then be sent to this particular profile. And once it has been sent, you will also get to see it in the activities section of that particular profile. I hope this video helps you out. Please do let us know if you need assistance with anything else. Thank you.